This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact Google account you used to back up photos. That's crucial. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled. Wi-Fi is faster and avoids extra charges. Next, check storage, phone free space and Google account quota, because a full account prevents restores. Now open Google Photos. If prompted, allow permissions for photos, media, and storage. That lets the app access your pictures. Once you've allowed permissions, go to Backup and Sync and toggle it off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on to trigger a fresh sync. If syncing stalls, clear the app cache or force stop Google Photos, then reopen it to reset background tasks. Next, check device folders inside the app and enable backup for any folders not uploading. This ensures photos stored in camera, screenshots, or messaging apps are queued and uploaded to your Google account. You're almost done. Pull down in the Photos app to refresh the library and watch the status. Wait until it says backing up or up to date. If some images are still missing, sign out of the Google account on the phone, then sign back in to force reindexing. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall Google Photos if needed. If things go wrong, check account activity and storage usage. That often reveals a blocked backup or a full quota preventing restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.